Hey there, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how to change the default language in Google Chrome on Android. First, open Google Chrome from homepage. In the top right corner, you will find three dot button. Tap on the three dot, go to settings. If you scroll down, you will find language option. Click on it. There are two different sections here. In the beginning, you will find Chrome language, and in the second position, you will find preferred language. Initially, the default language of Google Chrome is English. You say English here. If you want to add another language for Google Chrome, tap on add language. Suppose you want to set French as the new language for Google Chrome. Search for French and select option. Now you will find three dot button by French. Click on the three dot button. There are three different options: remove, move to top, move up. If you want to set French as the default language, select move to top. Now go backward. Now refresh the page. If we go to a page, see the default language of Google Chrome has been changed to English, French. If you want to revert to the previous option again, that means set English as the default language of Google Chrome, go to language option again, go to the preferred language, tap on the three dot button. You need to either move down or remove. Move down, click move down. English is at the top position. Go backward, refresh the page. If you click on a link in the discover option, you see the default language of Google Chrome has been reverted to English. That's how you may change the default language in Google Chrome and Android. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.